Hello everyone, this is the third demo for your perfect sphere assignment. We now have our two half spheres, but we need to do some preparation to make sure they fit together perfectly for soldering. The edges have already been filed before doming, but doming has stretched the metal and may have caused some minor distortion. Now we need to file each edge perfectly flat to make sure there won't be any gaps between the two domes. We are going to use a flat file to even out the edge of both domes. You need to check periodically, and the best way for that is to place the dome on your steel block to see if the edge of the dome is perfectly flush with it. If the edge is flat and square, there won't be any gaps. If you look closely here, there is a rough spot which, when the dome is on a steel block, creates a gap. So this must be filed a bit more until the gap disappears. Keep checking the dimensions. Make sure you're not removing too much metal. You're just leveling the edge a bit. That's all. Each dome must be a half sphere with a diameter of 3 centimeters and a depth or height of 1.5 or half the diameter. When put together, they form a sphere with a diameter of 3 centimeters in all directions. So put the two domes together to check the fit, double check on the steel block, and file some more if needed. And remember to check both domes, of course. Now, one more thing needs to be done in preparation for soldering. When soldering a hollow object, there must be a small hole somewhere in the object. Otherwise, this is what happens. The air inside the object expands when heated up. If it cannot escape, it will try to push apart the domes. It is also very dangerous. The object, when it is hot, can pop open suddenly and boom. I have seen it. It's like a small explosion, and you never know where these hot pieces of metal will end up. Very traumatizing. This hole serves as an air vent, allowing heated air to escape during soldering and helps keep a good seal on the seam so we can solder the object safely. To add an air vent, we'll use the flex shaft to drill a hole in one of the domes. One small hole is enough. I have marked the spot where we are going to drill. To avoid distorting the dome and to be able to drill safely, punch a dent on the concave side of the dome. For your safety, hold the dome with the ring clamp and drill a hole using a drill bit of about 1 millimeter in your flex shaft. Why the ring clamp? If the drill bit gets stuck in your workpiece, you risk slicing your fingers. Don't forget to lubricate the drill bit, brace your work on the bench pin, drill, and that's it. It's done. Here is the air vent. Now we'll be able to solder safely. Next, anneal, quench and pickle your domes. There is one more demo for this assignment. See you then, and thanks for watching.